Now I know I haven't started yet with the post thing, but you have to wait. Okay, so 1 2 video. Okay, so now we are going to add a new interesting plugin also, which is instant page. Now, because before making your website, okay, right, so you have to do these things to make your website more popular. Okay, so you just have to write instant page and you will get this instant.page plugin. You just have to click on install. Now what it does is, before while scrolling your website, only the whole pages which the users see on your home screen, the post, right? Like if we open these post right now, here is the one demo post. Okay, so let me just open it. This is a demo hello world post. Okay, so what happened is, when I click on it, it sends a request, and after getting a post, right, so when it sends a request, it get back with the post and renders the post. Okay, so what basically happen is, when a user click on it, it sends a request in the backend and get the post request. Okay, and what happens is, it just collects the data from the backend and show to the user. So if I just refresh it, it's not anything. Okay, it's just an empty post. Okay, so what it will do is, when a user is scrolling only, right, it is a post, it is already rendered in the background, so it will save time. It will also helps in optimizing, right? So I have installed the plugin, so let me check it. Here is the plugin instant.page. Now while we add a new theme, so first let me tell you, you have to go on appearance and go to theme editor after doing this step. Okay, and click on I understand. Now you have to go in header.php. okay, and just go on instant page and just click on technical details. Okay, after searching instant.page, here what you have to do is just add one thing which I tell you right now, intensity. Okay, so I have to go on intensity, and here, okay, so this is the thing that we have to add. Okay, so what you have to do is just copy this thing, and instant.page/intensity is the URL, and you have to copy this thing, and you have to go on theme editor, and just after body tag you have to paste it. Okay, or you can paste before the body, doesn't matter, and you have to do it for viewport -all, so it will just make it for tablet, mobile and PC, right? And you just have to click on update. Done. So this is how you have to install the instant.page thing on WordPress. And next thing we are going to see is introduction about Google Web Stories. So hope you will see that and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video.